Welcome to today's video, where we expose the unhealthy truth about junk food. From sugary cereals to processed meats, we're counting down the top 10 most dangerous junk foods you should limit in your diet. Get ready to think twice about what you put in your body. 1. Sugary cereals, high sugar content and artificial additives like artificial flavors and colors, which have been linked to hyperactivity in children and potential cancer risks. 2. Processed meats contain nitrates and saturated fats linked to increased risk of cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Nitrates can convert to carcinogenic compounds in the body. 3. Fried chicken, high in saturated fats, calories, and sodium. Fried foods also contain acrylamide, a potential carcinogen. For hot dogs, similar to processed meats, hot dogs contain nitrates and saturated fats, which increase cancer and heart disease risk. 5. Candy bars, high in added sugars, saturated fats, and sodium. Many also contain artificial preservatives and colors. 6. Fruit Loops, high in added sugars, over 40% of daily recommended intake per serving, and artificial colors like red 40, yellow 5, and yellow 6, which have been linked to hyperactivity and potential cancer risks. 7. Frozen pizzas, high in sodium, saturated fats, and added sugars. Many contain processed meats like pepperoni and sausage, further increasing health risks. 8. Donuts, high in added sugars, saturated fats, and calories. Also, many contain artificial flavors and preservatives. 9. Sugar-sweetened soda, high in added sugars, linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other health issues like tooth decay and heart disease. 10. Microwave popcorn contains artificial flavors, high amounts of sodium, and potential carcinogens like diacetyl, which has been linked to lung disease in popcorn factory workers. Remember, it's important to enjoy these foods in moderation and balance them with a healthy, varied diet. Regular consumption of these foods can lead to negative health effects, so be mindful of your choices. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. And now you know the risks associated with these junk foods. Make informed choices and take control of your health. Subscribe for more informative videos and share this video with friends and family to spread the word.